Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix and reset your age on the Among Us game. So let's get started right away. Now if you open up the Among Us game and check within, then you will find that there is no option to edit your age after you have set up once you log into your account. So if you have already set up your age within the game but you wish to change it later on, then you will need to do this using a different method. In order to proceed, long press on the Among Us game and then tap on the info button. You will then be taken into the application info page for the Among Us game. From this page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application by tapping on OK. Once the application is stopped, scroll down and tap on storage. Then from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button to delete all of your user data for the Among Us game. Once all of your user data has been deleted, you can open up the game once again and the game will start from the very beginning. You can once again sign in to your Google account, and after signing in, you will be allowed to enter your age once again. So you can follow all these steps and set up your age once again within the Among Us game with this method. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on changing and fixing your age on the Among Us game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.